In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make account private in Duolingo. If you'd like a little more control over who can see your learning activity and profile details, setting your account to private is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it on the web version so you know exactly where everything is. Start by opening your browser and going to the Duolingo website. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to adjust. Once you're on the main learning screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. You'll see a sidebar with several options. Click on the option labeled More. This expands a menu where you can access additional controls that aren't shown on the main screen. From that menu, click on Settings. This takes you to your account settings area where all of your preferences are organized by category. On the settings page, find and select Privacy Settings. Depending on your screen size, this may appear as a tab or a link within the settings navigation. If you don't see it at first glance, scroll a little or widen your browser window so the full menu is visible. On the privacy page, look for the control labeled Make My Profile Public. This setting determines whether your profile can be seen by others on Duolingo. If the option is enabled, your profile is public. If it's disabled, your profile becomes private. To make your account private, click the toggle to turn this off. When it's off, the switch typically changes color or moves to the opposite side, indicating that your profile is no longer public. This doesn't change your learning progress or streaks, it simply affects visibility so your information isn't broadly accessible to other users. After you've turned off Make My Profile Public, don't forget to save your choice. Scroll if needed and click Save Changes. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your privacy setting won't update. Give it a second to confirm the changes and look for any small confirmation message that appears on the page. That's it. Your Duolingo profile is now private. If you ever want to adjust this later, just return to the same privacy settings page and toggle the option back on. A quick tip. If you don't immediately see the change reflected elsewhere, refresh your browser and sign back in to ensure everything syncs properly. Thanks for following along. Keeping your profile private is a simple way to focus on learning without sharing more than you want. If this helped, feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to review your settings.